Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is a interesting video. I'm leaving Montreal in a couple of days. This is going to be my last video from this lovely shoebox dorm room that I'm now packing up, and I figured it might be an interesting video to film me packing up all my stuff. Kind of like a little sad about it. I don't really like all this change. I don't want to leave all my friends. And summer's really long. It's 4 months. It should be kind of interesting. I don't have that much. I only have one suitcase and one carry-on to take with me back to Washington, so I have to store stuff here. So I'm gonna kind of be dividing up my stuff, what I want to keep, what I want to leave here for the summer. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna leave most of my shoes here because me and Mace have the same size shoes and I feel like I can just wear hers all summer. Probably bring like 2 pairs. Definitely leave all my winter stuff here. I have one box, this box, that I'll assemble now. This box is the box I'm going to use for the stuff that I'm going to put into storage. I think I'm going to start with my clothes though, just because I want to take down my map and all that stuff last. I feel like once that stuff's gone, my room's like really gone. So I want to start with my clothes. Check this out. So here's my one suitcase that I'm bringing home. Here's my carry-on that I'm bringing home. And then here's my duffel bag that I'm going to leave here and store stuff in. Leaving here. Winter coats first for sure. And then I have a gray winter coat that I don't know where it is, which is mildly concerning. My more thick knit sweaters I'm definitely gonna store. It's honestly crazy. It feels like 2 months ago I was in my room packing up all this stuff to bring to Montreal, and now I'm packing it all up again. I definitely don't need like anything fancy while I'm home. Dress is a bit out of season for back at home. It's more of my like wintry dress. This one again is like a little bit more of like a party dress, which I don't really see myself using. All of these are like winter dresses or party dresses, so I'm gonna keep them all in Montreal. I'll store this. This is my Igloo Fest windbreaker. That was a crazy night. Oh, here's my other winter coat. This duffel bag is getting really full, and that is just the stuff in my closet, so potentially a yikes. I don't know which hoodies to keep and which hoodies to bring. Yeah, so I'll just take them all down. So what I'm 100% bringing home, I'm putting back at the top, so. Then the ones I'm getting rid of / aren't mine, I'll also just put back at the top. Yikes, maybe it's harder than I thought. I'm just gonna take out like all my turtlenecks and stuff. So I have gray turtleneck, white turtleneck, bodysuit I won't wear at home. This red turtleneck I won't wear at home. And I have a lot of t-shirts that I'm most likely going to leave here just because I don't wear t-shirts a ton. I pretty much just wear them to the gym. And I won't be going to the gym over the summer. I'll just be doing ballet, so don't need any of those. I'm packing up my stuff for a little bit, and honestly I'm more worried about like the room in the suitcase that I'm bringing home than the room in these bags, because like I've packed up pretty much this whole bag with a bunch of my clothes, and this is a lot of winter stuff and pants. But I still have like so much stuff I intend on bringing home for the summer, and I just don't know if it's all gonna fit in that one suitcase. All right, making progress. I've started to pack up the suitcase. This is everything I'm for sure bringing home. I'm just kind of starting there. These ones are pretty much filled to the brim with all the stuff that I'm storing in res, but I still have a lot of stuff that is in between the two. So working on that. We just got back from breakfast. Hello. And we're packing. I packed both of my duffel bags. They're full, and my suitcase for going home is also pretty full, and I still have a lot of stuff left actually, so it's kind of not ideal.
All of the drawers, every single drawer is full.
Pretty much the drawers are still completely full. But I'm bringing my tree and my other plant to the apartment, and all of my dishes and stuff, so we'll have that there, so I don't have to pack that or worry about that. So we're just gonna keep going. Right now this is all that's left of my closet. It's going really well. I just have a couple of things hanging. A few sweaters up there I'm deciding what to do with, and then like blankets that I'm kind of still figuring out. And then I just FaceTimed Mace, and she gave me like a full closet tour of all of her stuff, and I realized that I really don't need to bring back anything. I think I'm just gonna wear all of her clothes. So I'm bringing back like swimsuits, shorts, a couple things that like I really like, but for the most part I'm just gonna be wearing pretty much all of Macy's stuff this summer, which is awesome for packing because then I can put more stuff into these bags. I'm gonna get one more of these boxes and I should be like good on space. Fingers crossed. And then I am taking off these lights right now. Removing some of the decoration stuff. Yes? We're taking down my curtains that have been up since I moved in and putting back the ones that my room came with. This is kind of sad. Hey, so it's been a lot of time. We've packed quite a bit. I'll show you what we've packed. It's wild. We've packed my suitcase going home pretty much fully, 2 duffel bags full of clothes, and then this box here, it's like full of stuff, and then this box is getting gone with shoes, socks, and random. I've still kept all of my decorations up because I'm gonna pack all of that last, but it's going pretty good. Cordelia, are you ready for your exam coming up?
Yes, the Evolving Earth.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna end packing until like 2 days from now. I don't want to pack anything too like necessary because it's still kind of early.
Like you still have to brush your teeth. Yes.
Yeah, like I'm not gonna start like extreme packing. The lights have been taken off my wall. Kind of sad. Those pictures are gone there. I don't know. It's all kind of coming to an end. Good morning. It's my last morning in my room. I still haven't taken down these pictures, but got the map down. The drawers are completely empty. Closet is pretty much empty. And the stuff is kind of starting to get full. We have a full forest going for the apartment. These 2 boxes are full. My carry-on is pretty packed. This is kind of being organized still, and then we still have my map, which will probably be the last thing to go. We just took the map off my wall, which is like a pretty iconic feature of my bed and my room. So it's kind of starting to look like how it did when I first moved in. Everything's done. Now we're bringing the boxes down to put in storage. And guess what the funniest part of this all is?
Cinder blocks.
Yes, but also our elevator broke.
Oh yeah, that too.
Like 3 days ago.
That too.
So everyone has to carry all their shit down to the ground. Yeah, also, can you see my sunburn? I have to pack my camera, so I'm gonna do the rest of the vlogging on my phone. But my room is looking pretty heckin' bare. I just have a couple things that I'm wearing like today and tomorrow still out, but like, I don't know, it looks just like how it did when I moved in. It's kind of tripping me out a little bit. Guys, literally all I have to do is like Lysol my surfaces. Like, it's really empty. We're really leaving. I'm so sad. I don't want to go. I could easily stay another month in Montreal. Gotta return my keys to BMH, lock up this room forever. This is the saddest thing in the whole world. 1 year ago, well, 8 months ago, we were in this exact same boat moving in.
And it was 30 Celsius.
We had met each other 1 day ago, and now, 8 months later, we are best friends.
Also, update, the elevator is still broken!
Yeah, how is the 7th floor life cord?
It's upsetting.
These are the last few moments in my room. I'm locking my windows forever. Now I'm gonna go lock my door. This is actually really sad, Cord.
I know.
I have good memories in this room.
Yeah, it looks so different.
This is just like, this is really like the end of a chapter, you know? That's that. What are we up to, Maggie?
Guys, we're on our way to OAP.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy.
boy.
We just said bye to Triumph, though.
Sad times.
Yeah, forever. I mean, for a month for me, but for 4 months for some people. Gaspar and India are now racing. Who's gonna win? Gaspar's gonna win.
Yeah, I think so. I think India's giving up.
Come on, India!
pussy boy.
Run anymore.
You did really good. I just woke up from.
Hello.
I
can't talk to the viewers, but you can.
I just woke up from a nap, a long
40-minute nap.
Yeah, my alarm didn't work and it woke me up, and so I quickly got out of bed, slapped some eyeshadow on. Don't know how it looks.
Good.
Put on a shirt, my shoes, drank some alcohol, and we were off. We were out and about. We were 2 girls on the town.
Do you want to explain where we're going?
Oh, we're going. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're going to a Hippocampus concert right now. I know it's very I'm very excited about it, but it's very. It seems like it would be stressful timing that it's that it's just this concert we're going to in the middle of this whole move out whole thing. But honestly, it's been in our schedule as an event for so long. It's just this is what we're doing.
If we hadn't bought the tickets and this was happening and we both knew about it and we weren't going.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So upset. But I'm so happy we're going.
No, and then we're going straight from the concert to cafe to meet all of our friends for our last wonderful, amazing night in residence. Can you make it this way? Yeah, it's nice. Wait, okay. It is beautiful. I will miss it so much. Okay, see you soon. Here's the venue. Very cool as Montreal is.
It's so perfect though.
The opener just finished. She was amazing. It was so good. Samia, is that her name? Amazing. And Hippocampus is coming on soon.
Amazing.
We just.
I literally fucking shook. It was so good.
I'm still starry-eyed.
It was so good.
It was so good.
They're all amazing, and the opening act was amazing,
They played all of our favorite songs.
Oh yeah, Violet, that's mine. That's my first song. Suicide Saturday, that's her first song.
Yeah.
Buttercup is
My favorite song in the whole world.
Golden is my favorite song. It was so good.
And now we're going to the club.